When you're tired, your body isn't betraying you. Like we want to think it's betraying us. It's actually guiding you. We live in this culture that treats exhaustion as a weakness, something to fight against or push through. But what if exhaustion isn't failure? What if we see it as information? Your body saying, slow down here, just replenish, reset. It could be asking for water, it could be asking for a walk, simple movement, or 5 minutes with your eyes closed, noticing your breathing. When we treat tiredness as a signal instead of a problem, we can respond with care instead of criticism. So instead of powering past fatigue, pause and ask, what is my body asking for in this moment? And that question alone can change the way you move through the rest of your day with more steadiness, with more awareness, and just a little bit more room to breathe. When you start responding to your body instead of that automatic autopilot of overriding it, which we all do, life begins to move with you, not against you. So try that pause today, just once, and just see what shifts for you when you stop pushing and start listening. Exhaustion isn't weakness. It's your system asking for rhythm, asking for a framework. So save this for when you feel drained. And when you're ready, go to the link in my bio.